Manning School is represented by Ciara Hall, Chris Andre Bowes, Dante Lewis, and Donnell Atkinson. Old Harbour High is represented by Mikhail Powell, Antoine Lodge, Richard Simpson, and Rihanna Archer. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone, and welcome to Round 2 action in TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2026. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately. They'll receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Old Harbour High won. They decided to go first, and so we begin with Old Harbour High. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Old Harbour High, we begin with physics. Whose law states that under the same conditions of temperature and pressure, equal volumes of all gases contain equal number of molecules?
Avogadro's law. Avogadro's law!
That is correct, but you don't have to shout. Physics, Manning School, whose principle states that a body immersed in a fluid experiences an apparent loss in weight, which is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the body.
Archimedes' principle.
Archimedes' principle!
Correct. International Affairs for Old Harbour. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Olaf Scholz.
Olaf Scholz.
Incorrect. Donald Tusk, Prime Minister of Poland. International Affairs for Manning School. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Carol Naraki.
Frederick
Myers.
Incorrect. Anthony Albanese, Australian Prime Minister. Spanish. What is the Spanish translation for the English? It is 1:30 p.m.
Son las uno media
PM.
No,
tarde.
es la 1:30 de la tarde. Spanish for Manning School. What is the Spanish translation for the English? It is 11 a.m.
Son las 11 de la mañana.
Son las 11 de la mañana.
Correct. Information Technology Old Harbour. What is the name of the specific type of loop that executes at least once before testing a condition?
Once, repeat, while loop. While loop.
While loop.
No, do-while loop. Information Technology for Manning School. What is the name of the sorting algorithm that repeatedly swaps adjacent elements if they are in the wrong order?
Filter.
Incorrect. Bubble sort. Music, Old Harbour. Listen to the clip, give the title of the song.
Wishing that heroes that truly exist. I cry watching the days.
That boy's mine.
Incorrect. Oops, I did it again. Music for Manning School. Listen to the clip, give the title of the song.
The best of me. Think you've had the last laugh. Bet you think that everything good is gone.
Last laugh.
Incorrect. Stronger. What doesn't kill you? Literature, Old Harbour. The work Under Milkwood was written by which Welsh poet?
Welsh poet. James Joyce.
James Joyce.
Incorrect. Dylan Thomas. Literature, Manning School. Little Gidding is the name of a poem by which American-born British writer?
J.K. Rowling.
J.K. Rowling.
Incorrect. T.S. Eliot. Theatre and Cinema for Old Harbour. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Amanda Seyfried.
Amanda Seyfried.
Incorrect. Kate Winslet. Theatre and Cinema. Manning School. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Ellie Fanning.
Streep.
Meryl Streep.
Incorrect. Kathy Bates. Old Harbour Jamaican heritage. Which Jamaican leader was known as the Black Moses?
Moses.
Paul Bogle.
Incorrect. Marcus Garvey. Manning School, Jamaican Heritage. In which year did Jamaica abolish the Legislative Council and adopt a bicameral parliamentary system?
1962.
1962.
Correct. Sports, a visual one. And that's it. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Manning School on 3, Old Harbour High on 1. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 57 returns after these messages.